Okay guys, this is part 2 of moving this piece of crack. If you haven't saw piece 1, part 1, well go see it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to move this piece of shit. Then, because not movable. Where's my super branch? Here's my super branch. I got my super branch. Yeah. Oh, I get it now. The tire's block. Get the tire out of the way. What is this shit? Aha! One piece that would have then made it stop and moving. What do I do? Well, that's probably not too a problem. Dig it up, dig it up. Dig the shit up. Now here. Dig it up, dig it up, dig the shit up. Yeah. I'm gonna say it again. Our goal is to take that and to put it here. Right here. Right there. As straight as possible. So we can take some more gogun and put it here. We're up at French. Not a lot, but a little bit. So yeah. Dig it up, dig it up. Dig the shit up. Yeah. Dig this one up. Cause this one's digged up. Yeah. I'm gonna try to dig it up more. Yeah, I'm back. Finish digging the crack. Oh shit, my ankle. Finish digging that up. And I'm gonna try to push it back. Can I just say my goal is to get just 100 subscribers. Yeah. Just have 100 subscribers and it's all. So yeah. This does not flip and move. One day I'm gonna repair this shit. Yep. Or just put it for sale. Yeah. But for now, selling it is not on the option for now. Can I turn the steering more? That's the most I can turn. I'm gonna try to lift it up. I'm back. Yeah, I'm recording on my cell phone, but I just realized. Why am I not checking if it's flat tires? Dumbass. Okay, this one is obviously soft. This one, soft. I don't know, bro. This one looks not that bad. Oh, hard enough. Oh my god. Ooh, wait. I think I just found a way. It's moving! You're both gonna go and say, "Oh, but you're breaking it." I don't give a fuck. Tires are already broken on it. Wait, where's the gas cap? Oh my god, bro. Where do you put the gas in? Oh my god. I think it's in there. No. Yeah, no. I don't know. It's slowly moving. Yeah, that's gonna be it for now. 5 likes for part 2.